Welcome back here on my channel. Thanks for joining me here in my diecast room in Bavaria in Germany. Now, if you are a subscriber of my channel, what I definitely recommend, you know that in the year 2022 it was kind of hard in my area to get these Matchbox single packs. At the end of the year it got a little better, but throughout the year it was really hard. So I have to say I was really surprised when I went out yesterday to get some firework, and I saw that they already had the first mix, or I think these are the first two mixes of 2023 from the Matchbox Mainlines. So this is mix 1 and 2, or case A or B, or whatever you call it. To be honest, I don't really care. These are the first Matchbox cars of 2023, that's a fact. So, and you can see that they have in the right upper corner this little logo that says 70 years. And yeah, I would say we get right into it with my personal favorite, and I think this is definitely one of the highlights of the year 2023, at least for me. And this is this one. The Ford Bronco in National Parks deco. So if you are following my channel, you know that I'm a huge fan of the Ford Bronco. I try to get all the versions. So these are the first two Matchbox versions. We've seen it in red and blue. These are the four-door versions. You know that Hot Wheels is doing the two-door version. And now this one. So I love National Parks deco, I love the Bronco, and this, you can guess, is the perfect combination. Looking really good, so yeah. By the way, I'll show you the logo once again. Here in the corner it says 70 years. Let's crack this one open. How cool is this? I love this light mint green color. It says National Parks here on the side. Eco Management with the forest logo. And look how crisp this deco is. Very, very nice. No temples on the back, but we got deco on the side, and also a really, really nice front. So this thing is a real beauty, a real highlight, and I'm really happy that I could find it. So let's go on with this one here. This is also kind of interesting, the Toyota 4Runner. This is new casting, and the interesting thing is, take a look right here. This is the last mix of 2022, and you can see here is the Toyota 4Runner, but I couldn't find it. I find all the other cars, but not the Toyota 4Runner. I don't know why this one wasn't in this mix, but here it is in a really nice red color. So it's coming in a glossy red, and yeah, it seems a little bit like it has some, yes, I don't know how to describe it, some stains in the color with different tones of red. I guess that's how it's supposed to be, but it's looking very good. Very crisp temples on the front, looking very good. Oh, here we go. Little paint issue on the side, but it's okay. And some temples on the back. Also a very, very nice casting. I think Matchbox is getting better. So many really cool castings are coming out, like this one here. So this is another electric pickup truck, the Rivian R1T, in a really nice blue, metallic blue. So let's take a close look. So it says Rivian here on the side, as I mentioned, a really nice metallic blue. Got this light bar here on the back, also saying Rivian, and also deco on the front. So we got a lot of deco. I'm not really sure if this one has an interior. Trying to check this, but so I can't see any interiors. Sometimes I realize after doing a video that there is an interior in it, but I guess this one has none. Maybe because it has a lot of deco on it. So, into parking position, and let's go on with another new casting. The Karma GS-6, also in blue. Oh, this is interesting. Didn't notice that. So it seems like this one here has lensed headlights. I don't know if I've seen that before on a Matchbox car. I'm not really sure. Nice interior. So this is a glossy blue with a, I would say, a little bit of purple in it. I guess it's hard to see on camera. So we got temples on the back, very crisp once again, looking very, very good. And then we got these lensed headlights that are surely part of this plastic piece, this interior piece. Also very, very nice. Then let's go on with this one here, also kind of special. Normally Matchbox is not doing these hypercars, supercars. It's more a Hot Wheels thing. So we have the 2021 Koenigsegg Gemera. Coming with 5 spokes and a very nice metallic silver livery. Temples on the front, Koenigsegg logo on the hood. We also got this little ghost logo here on the back, saying Koenigsegg here on this tiny spoiler. And nice contrast is really extremely yellow interior. And I think this version is much better than the Hot Wheels versions. This is the Hot Wheels version. Also came out in orange. So yeah, I have to say a little comparison. So I would just say that the Matchbox version does look much more crisp than this Hot Wheels version. It's not bad, but yeah, I think this one is definitely better. You can write in the comments down below what you think, but for me this is obvious. So let's put these guys to the side. And we go on with the 2020 Corvette. So we've seen this several times before in red, in blue and in black, I guess. Now the Corvette is coming in white. It's a little bit like a pearl white with these black 5-spokes and this racing stripe here on the hood. So, and this is interesting, it doesn't have details on the back. I think the other Corvettes do have details on the back. Maybe it's because of this black stripe here on the hood that they had to, or here on the side we also got this black detail. Maybe they had to save some money and we don't get any taillights, which is a little bit unfortunate. But it is how it is. Then we go on with the 2018 Bentley Bentayga. Also in a kind of a pearl white color. This one definitely has no interior, but we got some details on the back and on the front. Bentley license plate. I know that many don't like this casting. I think it's okay. So what do we have left? This one here, the express delivery in FedEx deco, which I think is kind of cool. So FedEx is something you don't see too often here in Germany. So you can guess that the whole body of this thing is made out of plastic, but we got a metal base in chrome. So we also got a chrome bumper, which is looking kind of cool. We got deco on the front, on the side, nothing on the back. But we got this, it's hard to see, glass roof, and yeah, we don't see too many details in there. But I think this is a really nice model, especially to put in a diorama. Into parking position, and we go on with the Jeep Wrangler Superlift, now in red with this worn deco. To be honest, I have no idea what that is. If you know what it is, write it in the comments down below. Nothing on the back, but we got some headlights. So this thing is kind of wild. I also got some other versions that don't have the headlights done up in black. And this one here in white with the orange tinted windows. Matchbox Adventures, Bushwhacker, yeah, wild, but I do like it. Let's park it here in the back. So what else do we got? The 2022 Ford F50 Lightning, another electric pickup truck. So this is the second version. And you can see it's decoed up in Matchbox 70 years, and I think it's looking really good. Got the molded F50 here in the tailgate. Lightning here on the bed part. Deco on the front. So this one's looking really good. This is, I already mentioned the second version. This was the first version in plain silver. And now you can see that we got different wheels. So I do like it. I think it's a little bit, I think this casting is a little bit too small, too narrow. Yeah. Anyways, let's park it. Then we go on with this one here. Nissan NV van. In a nice deco, harbor ferry transport, division of Matchbox Transport. Shore to shore. Yeah. I like this wave thing here on the side. The M logo on the door. I think it's really nicely done. This one has no interior, no details on the back, but we got a trail edge. Yeah. Nothing on the front. Anyways, I think it's kind of nice. Then we got the 2021 Cadillac CT5-V, now in black with golden 5 spokes. Yeah, nice color combination. Not a huge Cadillac fan, to be honest. This is the second version. This is the debut version in red. I would say, yeah, I'm not really sure. I think the red one is the better version. What do you think? Anyways, let's put this guy in the parking lot and we get to the last one, which is the 2022 Renault Megane. Now in red. So, if you are a subscriber, you know that the debut version of this one here in silver, which is this one here, was my personal favorite Matchbox car of the year 2022. I made a highlight video, the top 10 Matchbox cars. In my opinion, I put a link in the description down below. So my personal highlight, this one here with the golden details here on the bumper. Now in red, yeah, I would prefer the silver version definitely, but it's an interesting example how colors can change a whole car. I think doesn't look as half as good in this red. Details on the front, details on the back. So here we are. Matchbox Mix 1 and 2 of 2023. My personal highlight, definitely the Ford Bronco in this National Parks livery. This is just fantastic. And with this, we will finish this video. If you liked it, then give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I say thank you for watching. Happy hunting. And see you next time.